Hello everyone, my name is Delia Alexandra Benavides Cuevas, and today I will present my lesson plan developed for task 4 of the course Language and Culture. The topic of my class is expression of politeness and manners in English from an Anglo-Saxon culture perspective. This lesson was designed for 10th grade students and aims to integrate both language learning and cultural awareness following the project-based learning approach proposed in the learning guide. The main objective of this class is for students to understand the sociocultural importance of politeness in Anglo-Saxon contexts and compare it with their own cultural expressions of courtesy. In this lesson, students learn common English polite expressions such as please, thank you, excuse me, could you help me, nice to meet you. But beyond vocabulary, students also analyze how politeness reflects cultural values in English speaking societies. This lesson connects a language with culture because students compare Anglo-Saxon manners with Latin American cultural practices promoting intercultural understanding and meaningful learning. For this lesson, I used the following materials: a digital slides presentation, short videos, images of social interactions, a computer and recording device. These resources help students interact dynamically with the content and support visual and auditory learning. Yes, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we have a very interesting topic that connects how we speak with how we behave. Let's start with a questions. Look at activity one. My screen. How do you express politeness in your culture? Think about what you do when you ask for a favor or when you greet an elder here in Colombia. Please turn on your microphones or write your ideas right now in the chat. Okay, excellent. Perfect. Now let's explore how this works in English speaking environments. In activity 2, we are going to look at these Quizlet flashcards to remember some basic terms, but politeness in Anglo-Saxon culture goes beyond just translating words. It's a whole social instruction. This is a flashcards. One moment is my Wi-Fi slow. Okay, this is a flashcard. May I come in? ¿Puedo pasar? Thank you. Gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Thanks for your help. Gracias por tu ayuda. I appreciate it. Lo agradezco. Sorry. Lo siento. Okay. Mm, To see how native speakers actually interact, let's watch this short video from English with Vanessa showing the top 10 polite English phrases. Pay attention, she describes. This is a video. Okay, this is a great video. Let's review the vocabulary. Did you notice how often they use modal verbs like could you or will you mind instead of direct commands in chat? Let's have a brief discussions. What cultural difference do you notice between our way of being polite and theirs? Okay, now it's time to practice. Let's look at activity 4. I have three everyday social situations here. Help me solve them. Number 1, you want to ask help politely. What should we choose? The thank you, excuse me, or could you? Yeah. Okay. And as number 2, someone gives you information. What we say? Sadly, thank you, or could you? And number 3, you accidentally interrupt a conversation with excuse me, thank you, or could you? Okay, for activity 5, let's match this expression with the correct interactive images of the slide. You can see how body language and physical distance also represent social politeness in different cultures. Okay, for activity 6, to wrap up our production stage, let's observe the images in activity 6. You can see people waiting in line, people greeting each other, and social spacing. For activity 7, I want each of you to choose one imagine, identify the courtesy gesture, and describe it in your own words. Okay, this is for activity 7. Identify and describe in your own words what gesture of courtesy is shown in one of the proposed images. And finally, as our main task to check your learning, today you are going to put this into practice and real world scenario. Look, activity 8, write a formal email or short letter to a teacher or supervisor asking for a meeting using the learning public expressions. You have the models and instruction right there on the slide to guide you. Please type your drafts and send them directly in the chat so I can give you immediate feedback. Okay. To include this presentation, I would like to share a brief reflection on this design. One of the greatest traits of this lesson plan is that it directly connects linguistic for with cultural awareness, which fulfills the project-based and meaningful learning goal of this task. By analyzing learning goals of the task, and about analyzing politeness functions as social kit. Students don't just memorizing words, they learn to native multicultural relatives safely and reflectly. In years of technology using interactive platforms like generally or visual keeps 10 grades engage while providing a simulated fragment work that can be easily adapted to virtual or physical classroom. Thank you very much for your attention, and I look for to feedback. Bye bye.